Hello everyone, Jonathan Rayo here with Simplified Guitar. In this lesson, I'm going to be teaching you the Christmas song, Feliz Navidad. So I'll go ahead and play the song for you first, and then I'll break it down in more detail afterwards. So let's get started.
Feliz Navidad, Feliz Navidad, Feliz Navidad, prospero año y felicidad. Feliz Navidad, Feliz Navidad, Feliz Navidad, prospero año y felicidad. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas from the bottom of my heart. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas from the bottom of my heart.
So for this song, we're using 4 chords from the G chord family. I'm using the G chord, C add 9, E minor 7, and D over F sharp. So for all 4 of those chords, our 3rd and 4th finger are not moving. They're staying idle in that position on the 3rd fret of the B and high E string. For the strum pattern, we're using the folk pattern, which is a 4-beat strum pattern. We're going to have 4 down strums with an up strum added after beat 3 and 4. We also want to make sure just to pluck the first note of the chord for the first beat of each measure. So if I'm playing that G, the first note of that is going to be the low E string. So I'm just going to pluck that string by itself for beat 1. So we have 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 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 1. And what I'm doing to add more variety or some dynamics to that pattern is I'm strumming a little bit harder on 2 and 4. So every other beat, I'm just adding more emphasis and softer, obviously, on beat 1 because I'm just plucking 1 string, and on beat 2. So for beat 1 and 2, I'm not strumming full. I'm not strumming all 6 strings. I'm just strumming, 2 or 3, and that's not a hard set rule as to how many you're strumming. You're just creating that variety. Softer for beats 1 and 3, and harder for beat 2 and 4. Keep in mind when you get to the C add 9 chord, that chord we're not playing the low E string, so we need to start our strumming on the A string. So you can always take your thumb to come across the top and just touch that low E string to mute it while you're strumming. All right, if you want to get the chord chart for this song, just click right here to head on over to the website where you can download that. If you enjoyed this lesson, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and I look forward to seeing you in the next lesson. Take care.